What you hear, cool dog? I hear it too. It's loud. I hear it, but I don't see it. There it is up there. Do you see it? That was a big one. Don't see on that size very often. But it was way up there. Oh, and now I see something shrieking in the air over this way. What's next? What is that? Whatever that is really hauling butt. You see it up there? It's not leaving much of a chemtrail. It's going so fast. What? Cool dog, what? Cool dog says what? Cool dog says what? Cool dog says what? Oh, you gonna kill something now? You gonna get all excited? Because you heard a helicopter? Ain't no giant birds out here today, though. See that thing? It's a jet or something. Ah! Cool dog got excited. Cool dog got excited. Just can't hide it. Well, it's gonna be about 70 degrees today, ain't it? Here in South Carolina. Well, it feels good out here in the sun. I'm a little warm, cool dog. I'm a little warm. What? No, you ain't going nowhere. You ain't going for a walk right now. Well, you want to go for a walk? No, I'm old. It's too early. It's too early. Just give it a little bit. Maybe later. Maybe later.